Teresa Lockett here from Fredericksburg, Virginia. I wanted to come on today and give my testimony of Successful Solution Method and just let you know how it has greatly helped me in so many ways. So I've been in the online business space for quite a few years. I've lost quite a bit of money. I always wondered why I wasn't getting engagement, why nobody was buying from me, why nobody was liking my posts or commenting on them. So I actually, over the last year or so, I kind of gave up. Once I was introduced to Successful Solution Method and I watched one of the webinars, I was hooked. So Successful Solution Method has been my avenue to really understand the way that Facebook works, the way that marketing works, how to brand myself. And I went from 5 to 10 likes and loves and comments on my post to now at this point at least over 200. So it has been an amazing experience. I'm excited of where this journey is going to take me. And thank you to Successful Solution Method for teaching me the right way to do it and for making me a success online. Thanks, everybody.